Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Engineering. We have completed up to operators and now we are going to start conditional statements. Conditional statements, there will be if else and switch in C language. The conditional statements are if else and switch. So first we are going to discuss about if else. The syntax for this, see, it is called as syntax. This total is called as syntax of if else. If else is a this is a syntax and while saying this, if is a keyword, I have given you the list of keywords. There will be if also present in those, and if in these braces parenthesis there is condition, right? See, in this condition we have to write something, like we have to write the condition which the program should be satisfied. And if this condition is true, see, we have to write some code here which should be executed when this condition is true. If this condition is false, now you will be having this else statement. Else, this is also a keyword, and this is a, here we have to write the code which should be executed when that condition is false. See, here I have given you keywords with yellow color and condition with blue, and see, the statements should be executed when the condition is true are given in green color, and the statements which should be executed when the condition is false are in red color, right? So when this condition is true, it should be this statement should be printed, and if that condition is false, we have to directly go to else statement and we have to print the statements present here. So now we have to say we are going to see an example on this. So we have to go to online C compiler. I am removing all these, and now I wanna print some type some code in it related to if else. Hash include stdio.h void main, and see, int a comma b. Okay, printf enter a and b, enough. Scanf %d comma and %a comma and %b. Yeah, now let's start. If it is a keyword, right, and we have to write the condition here. If a greater than b. See, as it is a basic program, we are just writing these. Going on, we will be having some critical problems and critical programs. We'll be having some dedicated video on only programs. Okay, there will be a video where I will be sharing all the programs and those questions and codes related to that program. Okay, now you just see some basic programs. If a greater than b, printf a is greater than b. Yeah, okay, let's go outside of this block and print else. Yeah, else printf b is greater than a. Yeah, this is a program written, and let's see what we will be getting the output if we run this program. Running this and enter a and b values. Okay, let's enter them 3 and 5. Yeah, let's see. B is greater than a. See here, when we gave these values, a value will be 3. See, I'll be zooming a bit. Okay, a value will be 3 and this b value will be 5. So as you can see here, 5 is greater than 3. Okay, so you can see here 5 is assigned to b, so b is greater than a is printed here in the program. If a is greater than b, as you can see here, a is 3 and b is 5. So if 3 is greater than 5, you have to print this. If 3 is not greater than 5, you have to print this block. Yeah, so 3 is absolutely not greater than 5. So we are going to else block directly, and we are printing this, executing this line of code, okay, or this block of code also. Yeah, now you have, let's give wrong output, like let's give opposite output like 5 and 3. Yeah, here you can see a is greater than b. You have got like where a is 5 and b is 3. Absolutely 5 is greater than 3, so a is greater than b is printed. Okay, now let's go on to next. See, in this if else there will be else if also. Like, see, if this is a condition, now let's see something. If we give input as run it, and if we give input as 3, 3, see, we are getting b is greater than a, but no, both are equal, right? Then we have this condition, this else if is also used. See here, if there are more than 2 conditions, then we have to use else if. Okay, see, if and condition, as I said earlier, else if, no, not else. See here, after this we can write else, but see here, else if there is another condition rather than this, we have to write and use else if. Okay, now let's see that too. See here, let's fix this problem here. Okay, see, else, yeah, here let me write else if and condition. If else if b greater than a, yeah, you have to print this. And next, else have to print both are equal. Okay, both are equal. Now let's see, are we getting correct output or not? Let's give inputs as 3 and 5. Yeah, we are getting same output as b is greater than a. And now let's 5 and 3. Yeah, we are getting as 3 is greater than b. Yeah, like a is greater than b. Now let's give both values as equal. Yeah, both are equal. Now this problem is fixed, right? Before we have got that some a, b is greater than a, or some else. Okay, b is greater than a, right? But now we are getting both are equal because we have added one more block which will be having the condition b is greater than a, and now here we are having both are equal also. So for any two numbers there will be only 3 possibilities, like a will be greater than b, or b will be greater than a, or both will be equal. So only 3 conditions are there. Only 3 conditions are there. So we have to write condition for first and second, and we can leave the third one as it is, or we can write like this also, else if a equals to b. Now also we will be getting the same answer. See, 3 comma 3. Yeah, both are equal. We are getting that, right? Okay, this is almost completed, and now yeah, we are going to another, which is switch. Switch is also a conditional statement. Means why these all are called as conditional statements? Because see, there will be condition. The program will be executed based on the condition. If the condition is true, then this code will be executed. If not, this code will be executed. There will be simple if also. I'll be explaining you that also, because okay, yeah, because see, if you don't have all these, a is greater than b, printf, and okay, now let's see what will be printed. A and b, let me give these, yeah, and see, here we have only one if statement, and we have only one condition also. If this condition will be true, will become true, this block of code will be executed. If this condition is not true, this block will be skipped and the statement next to it will be executed. If this condition will be true, let's see that also, where a greater than b, right? A will be greater than b, yeah, 4 and see, a is greater than b. As this condition is true, this statement is executed, and this statement is also executed because it is outside loop, right? The flow of program will be from here, line to line, right? This line, after this, then you will be getting this, and this will be checked. This condition will be checked, and if this condition is true, this block will be printed. Yeah, this block will be executed, this block, okay, this will be executed, and next line it will be going as it is. If this condition is false, this block, overall block, will be skipped, and next line will be executed as it is. So this is called simple if. And after this, yeah, we are having switch statement also. Here let's see, switch of n. See, switch will be used when you will be having more than three conditions, and see, it is long, it will become long, right? If you have 3 conditions, you will be become long, your program will be long, very long, it will take too much time, right? So in that case we will be using switch statement. See, you will be having switch, this orange color words are all keywords, you can easily remember them, all are keywords, and these are variables, n, a1, a2, these are variables, okay. Now switch of n, of case these statements should be to be executed are written here, and break this and default, okay. Yeah, now I'll be explaining you easily with an example, because explaining with an example is easier than doing this. Okay, now let's put n here, okay, n, printf, enter n value, okay, scanf, %d, comma, and %n, printf scanf is completed. And now switch off n, switch off n. And now cases. See, in case we have to write, see here I have said that a1 a2 so on, right? In place of a1 a2 we have to write something like what are the possible values of n, means what you are expecting in the value of n. Okay, see now here I am saying the program of weekdays. Like if you give input as 1, I'll be printing Sunday, and if you give input as 2, I'll be printing Monday, so on. So that will be easy. Case 1. So in case 1 we have to print Sunday. Yeah, let's do it. Sun by n. Okay, no, by not this n, small n, right? Yeah, I have completed this. And break should be important because I'll be explaining you about this also, because next case is case 2. Printf Monday. Okay, Monday and break. Case 3. I'll be printing all these. Wait a second. Yeah, I have written all the cases like from 1 to 7, as we have 7 days in a week. 1 refers to Sunday, 2 for Monday, 3 for Tuesday, so on, 7 for Saturday. And you have to write default case also, because if the input will be like other than these 7 numbers, like 0 or 8 something, then this default block will be printed. Okay, so default will be none of the days. Okay, no, not days. Invalid, let's print invalid input, as we have only 7 days in a week. This input is invalid, right? For last statement, like default statement, there is no need of break, because see, when the n value is for example, if the n value is 1, you will be printing Sunday, and when we see break, this will be breaked and will be coming out of the loop. Okay, if we do not have break, the program will be printing Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, will be printing up to the end. Okay, if we do not have any break here, that's the reason we are writing break after every case. Now let's run this program. Yeah, enter n value. Let's enter as to Monday. Yeah, we are printing Monday, right? Now let's try to enter -2. Invalid input we are getting, because -2 is other than 1 to 7 numbers, right? So we are getting invalid input. And now let's see 7. Yeah, Saturday we are getting. So our switch statement is working. This is a program of switch, and this is a syntax of switch. It is easier than expecting. Yeah. And nested switch is allowed. Nested switch, these will be told for you in further classes. Okay, because nested switch is a bit difficult and it's a bit advanced topic, so I'll be discussing about nested switch in further classes. Okay, that's it for today. Let's start looping statements in next class. Okay, if you have any doubt, comment me down below, and if you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Easy Engineering. Thank you.